The time now, it's 11 o'clock on this Monday night, January 20th, 2014, and it's time for the weather magician PJ Wiggins, the late night report. Monday night, January 20th, 2014. Good evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 11 o'clock on this Monday night, January 20th, 2014. On a Monday night, we got a temperature of 33 degrees with a humidity 45%, wind speed west about 7 miles per hour, barometer 20.83 inches, 2.14 degrees, visibility 10 miles, wind chill about 27 degrees. Alright, let's take a look at our radar scope, and it shows a couple of patches of snow showers in eastern portions of New Brunswick and down for central and western portions and eastern portions of Nova Scotia. And patches of snow showers in western portions of Prince Edward Island in Canada. A couple of blobs of snow showers in northeastern portions of Quebec. Blobs of snow showers in west central portions of New Brunswick. A lot of snow showers in blobs of snow showers in south of Albany, north of Albany, south of Syracuse, and western New York around Buffalo. Patches of snow showers in western portions of Ontario, and a line of snow showers in northern Ontario down for southern Michigan down for eastern Indiana, and a line of snow showers around southwestern Ohio around Cincinnati. Rain showers and sleet pelts in south central Indiana, and patches of rain showers with sleet and showers in southern Illinois. Patches of snow showers covering northern Illinois around the Chicago area, and down for several western portions of Wisconsin down to southern portions of Wisconsin and southern and eastern Iowa. Patches of snow, sleet, and rain showers in eastern portions of Missouri here. Patches of rain showers off the southwestern coast of Florida. And a batch of sleet and snow and rain showers in central portions of British Columbia. Batch of snow, sleet, and rain showers in central portions of Alberta down for western portions of Saskatchewan. Snow showers in central portions of Saskatchewan down for Carolina, Canada. Good evening, working clouds 16 degrees. Phillips, South Dakota. Good evening, 9 degrees with clear skies. Oh wait, let's take a look at our satellite loop, and it shows patch of clouds from Atlantic Canada, stretching out southern New England down for southern and western New York, down for Pennsylvania, stretching down to Great Lakes, then down for western Tennessee, and stretching down for Iowa, down for northern Missouri. Patch of clouds covering Florida, down through the Gulf States. Patch of clouds from southwest of South Dakota, down for north central portion of Nebraska. Patch of clouds from Ontario and up into northern Manitoba. Patch of clouds in central portions of Manitoba. Patch of clouds from Saskatchewan down for northern Montana, down for central portions of Alberta, down for central and northwestern portions of British Columbia. Patch of clouds all covering the Baja California and off the Baja California, Mexico, down for west central Mexico. Alright, let's take a look at our map situation. High pressure centered in southeastern portions of British Columbia, western portions of Idaho, south central portions of Wyoming, and a stationary front from Alberta, stretching down from Montana, and a cold front from Montana, stretching down from Wyoming, down from Nebraska, stretching down from Illinois and Indiana, with a stationary front from Ohio, and another cold front from Pennsylvania, along with the front stretching on to New York State and up in northern New England and down into Nova Scotia. And another cold front from southeastern New Mexico down through Texas and down through Arkansas, down through Kentucky, down through the Virginias, and stretching off the Mid-Atlantic coastline. And another cold front between southern Florida and northern Cuba. And then it occurs off the Atlantic coastline of a stationary front from Haiti, stretching off the Caribbean Sea. Front boundary from south central Texas down to northern Mexico. Front boundary down for the California coastline. Frontal boundary from southeastern and southern Alberta down from western Montana. 35 degrees out temperature right now in Boston, 43 out in Washington D.C., 54 in Atlanta, 67 in Miami, 66 out in Brownsville, 61 out in Dallas, Texas, 34 out in Kansas City, 21 out in Chicago, 3 above in Minneapolis, 52 out in Albuquerque, 26 out in Denver, 30 out in Salt Lake City, Utah, 38 out in Great Falls, Montana, 42 out in Seattle, 58 out in San Francisco, and 61 in Los Angeles. Okay, let us take a look at our HBC discussion here. Heavy snow for the Mid-Atlantic into southern New England. Temperatures will be 10 to 25 degrees below average from the Mississippi Valley into the northeast Mid-Atlantic. A front moving off the northeast Mid-Atlantic coastline will develop a wave of low pressure over the Tennessee Valley and the sky, rapidly moving off the North Carolina coast. By Tuesday afternoon and evening, the storm will be continued deep in Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, moving just off Mid-Atlantic coast, parallel on the northeast coast, just off the Cape Cod by Wednesday morning. That system will produce slight snow over the parts of the middle Mississippi Valley by Monday evening, expanding into parts of the Ohio Valley by early Tuesday morning. As the storm moves into the Mid-Atlantic on Tuesday, moisture from the Atlantic will move inland, aiding the development of the snow over the Mid-Atlantic to the Ohio Valley and the Tennessee Valley. The system's dynamic will be increased, producing an area of moderate to heavy snow over parts of the Mid-Atlantic by Tuesday evening and moving into southern New England and coastal North New England by Wednesday morning. In addition, rain will develop along parts of the eastern Gulf Coast, moving into the southern tip of Florida by Tuesday evening and then overnight on Tuesday. Meanwhile, cold high pressure over the northern plains will move southward to the Gulf Coast and the southern Gulf Coast by Wednesday. This direction, cold air moving over the relatively warm waters of the Great Lakes will produce lake effect snow downwind from the lakes late Tuesday night. Another development wave of low pressure over west central Canada Tuesday morning will move southeastward to the upper Great Lakes on Wednesday morning. The system will produce snow over parts of the northern plains by Tuesday morning that will move into the upper Great Lakes by Wednesday. Also on Wednesday morning, an area of cold high pressure over west central Canada will begin to move north southward. A front over parts of the northern high plain, northern Rockies will aid in focusing up slope to produce light snow over the area on Wednesday morning. Alright, let us take a look at our forecast discussion.
It does have contingency plans in place to get Americans out of there fast.
An arctic front sweeps across the region this evening, followed by a frigid mass surface spread in the air tonight. Low pressure tracks along this front, bringing widespread accumulating snow to west of southern New England, which affects snow showers. We're lingering across the Cape of the Islands on Wednesday. Cold and dry weather will be likely Thursday and Friday. Possible storm will move out to the region over the weekend, bringing rain and snow. 10 p.m. update. Near-term update. Arctic cold front continues to slide offshore this evening with dry cold air mass sliding in the region from the northwest. Already dew points are dipping in the single digits across portions of the western Massachusetts, southern New Hampshire, and as such as the snow squalls are dissipated to nothing aside for some upper level cloudiness and covered in neat. With attendant shortwave energy expected mainly dry and progressively colder. Shortwave energy expect a mainly dry and progressively colder night tonight. Adjustments to temperatures toward the sinking were made. For the night, Arctic event sweeping from southern New England early this evening, pushing offshore by 10 p.m. Southwesterly winds will shift to the northwest with a point gusting up to 25 miles per hour to 30 miles per hour immediately ahead of behind the front. Any snow showers that develop ahead of the front will be coming to an end as colder, drier air moves behind the front. Much colder air moving in that allow temperatures to drop in the single digits teens overnight. Northwesterly winds between about 10 and 15 miles per hour with southern wind chills in the single digits near zero overnight, particularly across the interior. Alright.
Is facing several other charges in relation to the case.
There's the timing. Snow develops after 1 p.m. Tuesday south of the Massapequa region in northern Massachusetts by evening. Peak of the storm Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning. Snow tapers off Wednesday morning but lingering over the Cape of the Islands the afternoon. Highest risk for more than 8 inches will be along east of the Interstate 95 corridor. Heavy storm gusts will result in blowing snow and poor visibility. Closer conditions southeast coastal Massachusetts and Cape of the Islands. And dangerously cold wind chills 5 to 10 to 20 below zero late Tuesday night Wednesday morning.
Crews are working to stabilize the building so investigators can
Jackpotted storm central and eastern Cape of the Islands. Central and eastern Cape Cod gets about 10 to 14 inches of snow. Nantucket and Marsden in western Cape and much of Bristol, Plymouth, and Norfolk County and eastern Rhode Island and central Rhode Island and south central Rhode Island could get 8 to 10 inches. 6 to 8 inches of snow in coastal Rhode Island and Massachusetts, and southeastern Massachusetts also. From northeast of Connecticut down into northern Rhode Island, stretching it down for central and some western county down through metro western Boston and points up to the north shore and the northeastern Massachusetts. 4 to 6 inches of snow from northeastern Connecticut and central Connecticut from Hartford down for Springfield, stretching down and up in northern Worcester County around Fitchburg and southern New Hampshire around Manchester, and 2 to 4 inches of snow from southwestern New Hampshire down to north central Massachusetts. Here, all right, we are under a winter storm warning in effect from 1 p.m. Heavy snow is likely across much of southern New England with blizzard conditions possible across far southeastern Massachusetts Tuesday afternoon and fact Wednesday morning. Low pressure development well south of New England Tuesday will be combined with an Arctic curve moving across the region to result in heavy snow across much of the southern New England. Temperatures will be very cold, ranging from teens across the interior to the mid-20s across the outer Cape Cod during the day Tuesday and falling in the single digits to the teens Tuesday night. This will mean that the snow will pile up rather quickly, especially around the southeastern Massachusetts and Rhode Island. Winter storm warning remains in effect from 1 p.m. Tuesday to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday. Location will be southeastern Massachusetts away from the coastal and central Rhode Island, including Providence and the suburbs as with types heavy snows. Snow accumulation of about 6 to 10 inches and timing from midday Tuesday for Wednesday morning. Impact snow covered roadways will cause difficult travel conditions. Periods of moderate heavy snow along the gusty winds cause visibly about a mile or less and winds now for about 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Tuesday, the temperature is 923 above and visibly is a mile less at times. Winter storm warning is issued when an average of 6 or more inches of snow expected in a 24-hour period. After 8 or more inches of a 24-hour period, the travel will be slow to press well treated surfaces and quite difficult and unplowed at treated surfaces. Day and tonight. Hazard weather is not expected time. Days 2 for 7, Tuesday for Sunday. Winter storm warning and strong under clear will be moving to the southern New England, dropping in wind chill values between 15 and 20 degrees beginning Tuesday, less than in Thursday. Wind chill advisories will be needed, especially Tuesday night and again Wednesday night across the interior. Okay, let's take a look at our bus stop forecast. For 7 a.m., 60 degrees with most of class cars. At 2 p.m., 21 class cars. So, your kids will be making it home in time, but just before the snow starts. And with the snow, I believe that Wednesday will be a snow day for Norton and much of eastern Massachusetts. Okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. It goes like this.
Being good is a wonderful legacy.
Over 9 hours of the night, most of class cars. Norton 60 degrees, northwest wind about 7 to 9 miles per hour. Tuesday, at chance of snow, mainly afternoon, most of class cars high near 20 degrees, north wind about 8 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 50%. New snow accumulation less than 1 inch possible. Tuesday night, snow likely before 11 p.m. Then snow areas of blown snow between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. Then snow likely with areas of blown snow after 3 a.m. Lower around 10 degrees, north wind about 11 to 18 miles per hour, with such as 38 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 8%. New snow accumulation 4 to 8 inches possible. Wednesday, snow likely with areas of blown snow before noon. Then a slight chance of snow between noon and 2 p.m. Class skies are gradually becoming mostly sky skies higher 60 degrees. West chills valleys as low as 8 below zero. North wind around 17 miles per hour with gusts at 34 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 60%. New circulation 1 to 3 inches possible. Wednesday night areas of blown snow before 9 p.m. Podcast got low on 1 degree. West wind about 9 to 15 miles per hour with gusts at 30 miles per hour. Thursday, most of the skies higher near 19 degrees. Thursday night podcast got low at 5 degrees. Friday, slight skies higher, 18 degrees. Friday night, podcast got low 11 degrees. Saturday, chance of snow, most of the skies higher, 33 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Saturday night, at chance of snow, most of the skies got low 20 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Sunday, parts of the sun skies higher, 29 degrees. Sunday night, most of the skies got low 17 degrees. For Monday, most of the sun skies higher, 27 degrees. Peters with a phrase of the night. A snowy Tuesday in town. This is PJ with a have a good night with a good podcast. I'll be seeing you tomorrow morning. Good night.